Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's me again, Blue Monster 8154, back at you with another video. Today we're playing some more Minecraft. That's you. No.
Hey,
No.
dude, you like to get fish?
You're dumb.
Really?
Yeah. All right. So
Watch this. Watch it.
what's it not work? Cause it's one block. You can't fish in one block.
2 more minutes, guys.
Aww. Fine. That's what I was gonna say. What are you doing, dude? That's messing it up. Put the piece of dirt back. If you wanna fish, go down outside.
I feel like this is actually gonna work.
It won't, dude.
It'd be funny if my fish just comes up right here.
Dude, quit. It's annoying. If you need to fish, go outside and fish.
So you're actually continuing on mine.
What?
On my thing.
Yeah, you told me to.
Do I? Do I have to put some water down?
I have water. It's okay.
I'm gonna go get all these saplings. This house is didn't eat it.
It's whatever, dude.
I have 4 saplings. You can make more saplings though.
Bing! Bang. Alright, I jumped my big coach.
I'm gonna break a
jump.
block right here real quick and put a sapling down.
Okay.
Put water and then a sapling. Nope.
No, pick up the water, and I'll figure this out in a second though. Just pick the water up. Pick up the water. Put it. Wait, but you didn't get a dirt block, did you?
No.
Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone, and I'll deal with it.
Where are you at?
I'm down here getting some more dirt.
Well, I'm gonna make you a little thing when you come back. Okay?
Alright, no.
See, maybe we'll put some of that real quick.
Alright, that works.
You want more pizza?
You want more pizza? Okay, you go. Let's go get some more pizza.
You want one?
No, I'm good. No, you get one more. You get one more, or none. No, I don't want one. You get one.
I know, we can do all this.
Okay. So today, guys, we are building a little, a tree farm up there, so we don't have to keep going up and down from up there and jumping off and coming down here to get some trees and stuff. And what we're going to do, we're not going to put a single torch.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
The water!
What the heck?
What we do?
I didn't do anything. I just started climbing it up and then all of a sudden it's gone. Go to the farm and
Free.
oh, it froze. Put it down there where that snow. You're an idiot.
No. Now how do I get it?
I got it. Alright, and then get this.
I'm not sure to break this mock first.
No. Alright, here we go.
Dude, in my bucket, it turned to ice and then it just went.
Oh. And come up this. And then, dude, move! There you go. Alright, here we go.
Now I don't have any water.
And we're not gonna put a single torch up here, because this can be a tree farm / mob farm. Because mobs will spawn on this, hopefully, like possibly some cows and everything. And hopefully like skeletons and zombies, so we can get like the bones and everything for
Dog.
bone meal and dogs.
First, how was I get the dogs over here?
But they teleport. Once they're tamed, they'll teleport to wherever you are. I need you to go make a stone hoe.
You have any cobblestone?
Yeah, hang on.
I just need 3.
You need 2. 3 is a pickaxe. 2 is a hoe.
I can't get through the door. Doors are so inefficient. Efficient.
I need to get some more,
Should I make 4?
for what? No, 1 hoe. All we need is 1 hoe. 1 stone hoe! Give me the hoe.
And then left click.
No, give me the hoe. Give me the hoe. Thank you.
No.
Alright. And then...
We ran out of dirt? Seriously? Really?
what? Making what? I mean, we're out of dirt.
We're out of dirt?
Yes, but, hang on. Big time, boy.
Oh, we got like a big one. Like food and everything. My person
I already got 2 seeds from some, grass I destroyed. And, yeah. What? 2 seeds. And 2 can join too. And it will grow in a few days. In a few days. Okay, I thought it was glass. That's the thing I hate. When you break ice and I'm not there, I feel like you're breaking some glass. Because it sounds exactly like breaking glass.
You alright down there?
Yeah, I'm right here.
I didn't want to jump.
Oops. Flip. What are you doing? I was trying like a little viral hack. Where you stand on 2 block tall water, you can breathe in it by spamming the button, yeah.
Don't put your water down. No,
Okay, I'm not here, so I mean.
I'm using the water so I can have an infinite water source. You hear me?
What?
So we can have an infinite water source down here.
Why?
So you know.
No, the farm's already an infinite water source basically.
Huh?
Yeah, it is.
Wait, so this is infinite water. So,
No, it's not, dude.
see?
That's not infinite water. You put it. Give me the controller. Pick it up. There you go. Now go up to the farm. Go up to the farm. The actual farm.
Oh.
1 block water is not an infinite water source. You can have a straight three-way water source, and that can be an infinite water source. To pick it up, there you go. Now you got water. So do not do it in front of the sugarcane, because then the sugarcane will get off the sand. I don't know how it works like that, but that's just how it works. Okay. Okay. It's been 9 minutes since I'm recording. Mm. There you go. What'd you do?
So it'll be easier.
Oh, that works. That works, actually. It'd be easier to do that. And actually, you don't really need these, because what? Wait. Actually, I do. Sorry. Because, yeah, the pressure plates will actually...
So you just...
Yeah, you open them, and then they close them. Okay.
Just watch me. Dun, 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 dun.
There you go. Okay. Now I gotta finish putting down all this dirt.
Now I gotta finish putting all this stuff back. I need my dirt. I need my wood. Not dirt. Tip.
Did you want 100, you know?
Time's up, guys.
Can I finish my video?
You have at least 2 tests coming up this week.
Okay. Can I at least finish my video? Okay. So we have about 9 minutes, dude. What? No, that's not possible. Making an infinite video? I make a video every second of my life. That's not how I want to live my life. Okay. Well, almost done, dude. I was so tempted to hit you up right there.
I'm so dangerous. Can we just put some water down here?
Why?
Right there.
No! Trust me, I know what I'm doing, dude. I know what I'm gonna do. Wait. Dude! Oh!
Sorry.
Oh my god! I told you not to! No? Well, yeah, actually, yes.
Oh, you're fixing your inventory?
Yes. Where's my cobblestone go? For this. Okay. Alright. No. Give me all the seeds. Oh, saplings.
Seeds.
Saplings, whatever they are. Now go away.
Let me go check on up there. There's already 2 blocks. Nice one. Okay, what happens if you... I was wondering what happens if you left this. Nice. What are you doing?
You'll see.
Oh, putting water there?
Yeah.
But we...
Nope. And then... Sapling. 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 Ta-da!
Now they all are now.
No, they won't all go at once.
We have some bones.
Oh yeah, let's try making some bone meal.
Oh,
Crap. So close.
I have 18 bone meal. So we should do everyone.
But you can only do one at a time, dude. Stop. That's the first one.
What happens if I try this one?
Can't. It won't grow. Yeah, I'm not kidding. It will not grow. And there. Alright, there you go. Now you can...
Alright, got this. I just, take some more.
Okay. Oh my god.
That's my luck.
You idiot.
I had the saplings.
You're an idiot. You are an absolute idiot.
I could jump on here.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah, I hit the edge. I have to grab my stuff. Let me grab them. Let me grab my sword. Really?
Let's see. Drop that. Drop that. Drop
Better
oh,
not
sweet, a free helmet.
What?
Kidding, dummy. Let's see. Wait, do I have a sword? No. Oh, let's take back with my axe, dude. My axe.
What? Where's my axe?
It's my axe.
I haven't used my bow.
You haven't used it at all.
No.
Cause of my arrows. Those are my arrows. Arrows.
Errors?
Arrows, dummy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you said errors. Can you play some water down? Thank you.
I didn't put it down. That's how we get up and down. Remember?
Oh, you should have broke a block. I'll be back up to the water. Oh my god.
Cause me when you sneeze, dude. Just need to open my table in my room.
Okay. Ow. Guy, I have to, right. What did you do? You were trying to make me die there, were you?
I'm not trying to hook you up, but give me the saplings and the bone meal. I put it down and I picked it back up, dummy. Now give me the bone meal and the saplings.
Where are
One sapling there, one sapling there. Oh my god. Alright, now that one too. Now give me this, now give me that, give me the, thank you.
We should make two more.
No, I don't have any more dirt.
I have dirt.
Well, that's not enough. We need 8. We need, to make 2 more, we need 8 dirt.
Ow!
Haha. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, alright.
I need food!
Shut up. Here. No, you do not!
Ah, die! Forgot when you died. Yeah.
I only got 2 seats and 2 from that? That sucks.
What? 2 weeks?
Dang it! Alright.
I have infinite.
Oh no, we do. Bedtime. Bedtime.
I know. I just want to do something.
What are you doing? Pillager!
Pillager! Go! Yes, go!
Pick him up! And then he's going to fall in the water. Oh crap! It's a tiny raid. Wait. No Beta Man. Oh crap, Beta Man! Crap, leave.
I can't! I'm gonna die!
No, you're not.
Creeper! Oh man! When you leave that thing?
Come on, dude, let's go.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill the flag.
No, because then you get bad omen effect. I don't know where there's a cow. There's not a cow in sight, dude. So come on, get up here.
Creeper!
You're dumb.
How am I down? And I knocked off a pillager.
Alright.
Knock off a pillager. Sure. Oh yeah, but you know how to knock off a pillager. We're gonna fight the raid in the morning.
In the morning, yeah.
Because we ain't working.
No, you're not. You have full hunger.
I said we are.
No, not. Not me anyway. You might, but not me. Hi.
Where's our dudes? I'm drowning. You guys are up here.
Nope.
It's a horse.
We didn't get on saddles.
Oh my god! My horsey had a baby horse! This is my horse.
Baby horse.
We'll kill you. That's mine. Mine!
We don't have any saddles, dude!
Don't hurt my horse!
Dude, he's already dead. We didn't have any saddles anyway, so it's useless. So there's another horse up there. There's a horse behind you, you know. Because we don't have any saddles. It's strange. I've done like once or twice. He's done like 10 times in total. He's got one heart. I'm on full health. He's got one heart. I'm so glad I looked at the screen. Oh yeah, we're in the same movement now. So don't do this. Neither of us have ever been sick since this pandemic started. So yeah. I mean, I kind of was, but I'm not.
I have a shield!
Oh, your store's probably down in the water.
No, you have some.
No, yeah, actually. I need that crap. It's in my stuff.
This thing is so dumb. I'm just gonna let him go. What if I'm done? Oh wow, dude. You know if you just hit zombie drowns out of the water, they just catch on fire. Like when they're on land, they hit water. And you drop. On flesh. Wow. Nothing. Catching me some salmon. Yeah, catching me some salmon. Catching me some salmon. Catch me some salmon. Caught me some salmon. Caught me some salmon. I found a trader. Trader.
They suck.
No, there's some that are actually pretty good, dude.
No, they suck. He found
kill him though. You don't have to.
He found a wooden trader, and comment down below if you guys always kill them when you find them, because they are absolutely worthless.
No, they're not worthless.
Yeah, they really.
You can give them a job.
No, you cannot. You cannot assign them any kind of job or anything. He's right there.
He's invisible. What? How is he invisible?
When it's nighttime, they have an invisibility potion. Strange, I know.
Okay. Now his llamas. Okay, now his llamas are spinning at me. Nasty. This is why you never trust llamas! Jeez.
Well, you did kill the owner, so I mean, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's my armor. You suck. Yeah, you got leather. Useless. You got my stuff. I'm coming to kill you. I'm coming to kill you. I'm just kidding, please don't hurt me. I'm gonna hurt you.
What happened to you just painting boots?
What?
Yeah, what happened to you just painting boots? Didn't you have? No, I'm not kidding. You don't have a chest plate or boots on.
No, you made me lose it.
Oh, wait, I have them.
Really, bro?
I'm kidding, dude.
You suck. You suck.
Speaking of which,